Hello guys, Craig Newton here. Today I will show you my Knex machine. So this is update 1. So uh, I will show you a couple few bits on this machine. Um, on this machine it has 3 laughs done and has 1 path done. So I don't know how many paths it's going to be on this machine. It might be only 4, but I don't know. So it's not finished yet. Obviously I'm still building on it. Obviously I'm still building. So I don't know how many pieces on this. It looks quite a few. I don't know if this is neat bomb machine or whatnot. I have no idea. So anyways, I will show you a couple bits and bulbs, on this machine or something like that. So let's get started then. Here's Knex balls right here. So down here you can see small floor. Pretty small. I don't know, I should build like bigger than that. I don't know. Well, wait and see. I don't know. I guess it's gonna be murder, you know. Keep change your mind and try change it out and rebuilding it or something. So it's just it's just start with a bit here. So I put 1 ball there. So first lift is just right here. So I might remove my bin. Rubbish in it though. So the motor is back here. The gears spins and that. So that goes up and down like that. So it goes down and up. So this blue board right here, it just goes down and it pushes like that. Yeah, that thing moves. So I turn that on. There we go. Okay, it's like that. And that thing pushes, so it's just rolled like that. Turn that off. There we go. That's first lift there. And the second lift is quite small. That would be a chain lift or something. So turn that on. Okay. That one goes that way. And then that one, it goes this track right here. And that one's going that way. So turn that off. So okay, path 1. It's just on the exclusive track down there, on the element down the track and on there, and back to begin. Oftentimes maybe balls could be stuck on the floor. Oftentimes maybe something like that. So let me show you 2 lefts in 1 path so far. Now I'm just going to show you this bit right here. It's something I never built before, so this is I never built this thing before right here. This is actually called rotating lift, well, chain lift, something like that. So I put a ball there. So how that works, this thing, well, it will rotate round. So this thing goes round and then it hits this thing like that. So the ball will land on this track right here. So that will spin round, you know, the chain lift. So it goes up and then it goes up here. So, gosh, this is going to be quite hard to explain right now. So, see this right rod right here? So it goes round and then it's just on this thing right here, so it's quite smooth. So what will happen, so when it goes round, when it hits that, so it will open like that. So the ball will, you know, come out this floor right here, and then so it can able on this track right there. So I will show you what I mean then. So the motor is like right here. I have to use the black motor, so I have to use that one. So yeah, there's the thing right. There's a plug-in motor down here, so it goes quite fast. So I will show you that right now. Here it goes. It goes quite fast. So I just put a ball right there. There we go. That's how it works. It just waits until this thing coming down. I don't know how it will work, but I don't know. It might. I don't know. Okay. It just goes up here. And that thing opens. Well, I guess it's happened like that. It doesn't meant to be like that. Okay. Do it one more time, or it might does that again maybe. I don't know. Oh, there we go. It works. There we go. Turn that off. Well, it worked that second time, something like that. As you can see right there, that thing opens, so the ball just rolling off. So it's just on the track right here. So I was need to build that part, so I can manage on this track right here, you know, something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. At the first, it's just went off like that, as you noticed there, but it worked out the second time, so which is fine. So yeah, that was my Knex bomb machine. This is my 6th Knex bomb machine, by the way. Just let you guys know. So I try to let you go now, guys. I hope you enjoy that video. Just get a like on this video and comments, and subscribe to my channel if you want for Knex videos or different videos or something like that. So it will be update 2 for this Knex bomb machine video. I don't know what I'm going to name it. I don't know, but I will think it out. So I try to let you go now, guys. I'm Craig Newton, built these Knex creations. I'll see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe content, link the subscription, and some more. So goodbye.